Lois here and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to talk about one of the newest products from Ever Bilena, and this is their Ever Bilena chocolate palette. I just got this in the mail today and I'm really excited to try this out, guys. And I ordered this from Lazada and ilalagay ko na lang yung link sa description box below kung saan ko siya in-order. And this only cost 220 pesos, but of course, since I ordered this from Lazada, I paid for the shipping fee. So wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa, mga gorgeous. Let's start with the packaging. So this is how the packaging looks like. So nasa carton box siya. It's matte. It's supposed to be matte dahil matte yung eyeshadow na nasa loob. And it reminds me of the Kylie eyeshadow kit ba yun, na may ice din sa harapan ng box. Nasa likod ng mismong packaging, nakalagay Ever Bilena chocolate palette. And may nakalagay dito na little note na take your eye looks to new heights with these 9 all matte brown eyeshadows. Each shade is highly pigmented and with easy to blend formula. Create versatile looks that takes you from daytime to playtime. It has the ingredients right here and meron din siya expiration date. So it says 24 months. It will expire 24 months from the time you open the package or the eyeshadow palette. And as we all know, Ever Bilena is cruelty-free. It's also paraben-free. This contains 7.5 grams. And it has the manufacture date as well. So, lahat ng information na kailangan nyo ay nandito na. So, let's open the box. So, this is how the palette looks like. It's very neat. Nakalagay EB chocolate palette. It's very simple, but it's very classy. Tapos, kung ano rin yung nakalagay sa likod ng carton box, same din yung nakalagay sa likod ng mismong eyeshadow palette. And this is how it looks like when you open it. Ayan. These are all cool tones. So, syempre, chocolate palette. You will expect a lot of brown shades here. And ang gusto ko dito is may mirror. The mirror is not distorted at all. It's not blurry. And it's very handy. Meron lang isang nawawala sa eyeshadow palette na kalimitan natin binibili is merong applicator. This one doesn't have an applicator. So, sana lang nagkaroon sila ng eyeshadow applicator para kung yung mga tao na gusto magdala ng eyeshadow palette sa kanilang bags, hindi na kailangan magdala ng separate brushes. I think we should proceed on doing my eye makeup. I already have the rest of my makeup on. So, wala na lang akong eye makeup and wala na lang akong highlighter and lipstick. Before I begin, I've also noticed sa palette na to na may mga shades na almost the same, like this one and this one, this one and this one. And then this is the only darkest shade that I can see from the palette, but it's okay. Most of the shades are perfect for transition colors. So I will start off with this one as my transition shade. It's powdery, guys. And kailangan ko pa siya i-top off. Hindi ko alam kung napapansin nyo. Basta super powdery niya, but I can say that it's pigmented. Wala man akong maiko-complain pagdating sa pigment ng eyeshadow. Yun lang, pare-pareho ang color. And yun nga, it's very powdery. So let's start with this one. Can you see, nagkulay agad oh. Ay, ang ganda. I like it. Ang ganda ng color. Ay, super pigmented niya. Para may mga shades ito na katulad dun sa Morphe 350 ko. So, I'm not an expert, mga gorgeous, ha. I'm just doing the makeup that I know and the usual makeup that I do every day. At kapag umattend ako ng mga occasions and all. Ang ganda, promise. So, tapos na tayo sa transition shade. So, I'll choose this shade right here para sa aking crease. Uy, grabe ang pigmented. Huwag kayong mag-alala if medyo mapasobra. We'll just blend it all in later on. Kita nyo ba yan? Kung gaano ka-pigmented. Grabe! It's very pretty. I like it. So, let's proceed na doon sa darkest shade, which is this one. Ilalagay ko lang to. Grabe, dami ko nakuha. Doon sa aking outer V or outer corner ng eyes. Ito yung usual eye makeup look na ginagawa ko even sa mga photos ko. So, para sa ating eyelids, I'll just use this one, this shade in the middle. Para ma-open up lang yung ating eyes. Guys, I like it. Ganda. So, I'll just use a clean blending brush para i-blend lahat. It's very easy. It's up to you naman kung paanong eye makeup look ang gagawin nyo. Pero as much as possible, I'm trying to keep it simple. So, as usual, lahat ng shades na ginamit ko, ilalagay ko sa aking lower lash line. So, mga gorgeous, this is the eye makeup look that I came up with. So, I'll just finish the rest of my eye makeup look. I'll just put some eyeliner, falsies, highlighter, and of course, my lippy. And I'll get back to you for the final look. So, I'm back with the final result. And if you've noticed, nagpalit ako ng damit dahil meron akong pasok tonight. And gumamit lang ako ng lippy na I think that would complement my eye makeup look. This is the Careline Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Gotta Go, which is one of my favorites. And for the highlighter, I've used the EB Advanced Glow Out Highlighter in the shade Strobe. So this is the overall result. Ayan. So, para sa aking final thoughts sa palette na ito, for the price of 220 pesos, it's worth it. And kung okay ba yung pigment niya, yes, the pigment is okay. It's very nice. It's just that it's very powdery. And I just hope na Ever Bilena will come up with a palette na may matte, pero at least may one shimmery shade para gawing highlight sa ating eyelids. The shades are perfect. You can even use the shades for contouring. You can even use it for kilay siguro. And then, yun nga, gusto ko rin yung mirror. The packaging itself, it's super perfect. It's just that wala siyang brush applicator or kahit yung sponge applicator man lang for those people who would wanna bring this with them. Kaya lang, ayaw na magdala ng mga brushes. So, sana Ever Bilena next time, maglagay kayo ng brush kasama ng eyeshadow palette na ito. But, overall, I love the palette. I will definitely use this again. Perfect from day to night look. And perfect din ito para sa mga nag-work tulad ko. That's it for this video and I hope that you've enjoyed this. Please do not forget to hit on the thumbs up button. Do not forget to share this with your friends. And of course, do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And click on the little bell button down below so you'll be notified every time I have new videos uploaded. Thank you so much for watching, mga gorgeous. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Oh my gosh, I've never seen something so bright like the sky. Always guiding me. Oh my gosh, I've never seen something so beautiful and rare. Let me breathe your air, baby.